morning all the students. Today we are going to discuss part 4 and class 7, okay, and that is chapter 2. Okay, so first of all we have already explained about the binary to decimal, decimal to binary, all the conversion, but today we'll going to learn that is decimal to octal conversion. Okay, what is that? Decimal to octal conversion. Decimal to octal conversion. Okay, see, so first we'll take the problem, first problem we'll take and we'll explain. Okay, so example 1. Okay, first example we'll take, you see, that is 670. Okay, 670, that is the first problem. Okay, we'll convert decimal to octal. We'll convert decimal to octal. Okay, decimal base, that is 10, and octal base, that is 8. So first you see the method. In this method the number is repeatedly divided by 8, and each time its remainder is taken out and the out place on the right side. Okay, out place on the right side. The finally octal value is obtained by the combinations all the remainder with the least remainder being the most significant. Okay, so that is that means last remainder. Okay, last remainder being the most significant digit. Clear? So first, that is every time it will be divided. Every time it will be divided 8. Okay, so let me see, that is 670 divided by 8. Divided by 8. So basically 8 8s are 64, means that is 8 8s are 64. Remaining, that is 30. Okay, so 30 means 3 8s are, and that is remaining number 6. Clear? Next, again divided by 8. So 8 tens are 80. 8 tens are 80. Remaining, that is 3. Okay, remaining, that is 3. Clear? So again divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. Remaining, that is 2. So basically we are getting the answer 1 2 3 6. Okay, so this way we will take, that is 1 2 3. This way means that is answer 1 2 3 6. Clear? So this is the first example. Another example we will take. See, example number 2. Okay, example number 2, that is 1032. That is decimal to octal. We'll convert, that is decimal to octal. Okay, so 1032 divided by 8. Okay, every time it will be divided by 8, means that is we'll get the answer 129. Okay, 129, then remainder it is coming 0. Clear? Remainder it is coming 0. Again, that is divided by 8. Divided by 8 every time. Okay, so that means we will get, that is 16. We'll get the 16. Okay, 16. Okay, so remainder it is coming 1. Again divided by 8. So 8 divide means 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. Remainder it is coming 0. Remainder it is coming 0. Clear? So this is the answer. We get that answer 2010. 2010. We'll write 2010. So this is the conversion decimal to octal. Okay, example. Okay, now fraction conversion, how to. Okay, so mixed number, how to solve. Suppose we'll take, that is 29.30. Okay, I will take that is 29.30. This is the decimal to convert octal. Okay, we'll convert decimal to octal, will convert. Okay, so first step, you see, that is after decimal point will how to solve. You see, that is decimal. Okay, so 29 every time it will be divided. So 29 divided by 8. 29 divided by 8. Okay, so 3 8s are, let me see, 3 8s are, we are getting that is 24. Okay, 3 8s are 24. Okay, so 24 minus 29 means that is remainder we are coming, that is 5. Okay, remainder we are getting, that is 5. Clear? And point, you see that is point 30. 0.30 every time will multiply 0.30. So 0.30 multiply by 8. This is the method, this is the process. Okay, so basically we get that is answer 2.40. 2.40. So 2 getting the answer. Again that is multiplied by 8. Okay, again it is multiplied by 8. So 3 0 3 2 4. Clear? So 3.20. 3.20. So 3, this is answer. Again it is multiplied by 8. Okay, again it is multiplied by 8. So 0 16 1.60. Okay, 1.60. So 0.60 into multiply by 8 by 8. 0 8 8s are 64. Okay, so 6. Basically we are getting that answer 6. Okay, so let me see that answer 23146. So 23146, that is. Okay, this is from small. Okay, so 23146. Clear? So that is the mixed number. Okay, decimal to octal conversion. So I hope all the students you understand. So I will give you 5 questions, that is homework. So everybody you have to complete. Write down the question. One question, first question write down. Okay. Question number 1. Okay. Question number 1. 50. Okay. 50. That is question number 1. 50 decimal to octal. Okay. Question number 2. 75 decimal to octal. Okay. Question number 3. That is question number 3 will give you, that is 80.2 mixed number. Okay. Question number 4. 135 decimal to octal. Okay. And question number 5, that is 140.24 decimal to octal. So I hope all the students you understand very nicely. Okay, so thank you all.